Okay, okay, everybody. This is SMG. So, if you're looking for how to record your screen, the MacBook screen in MacBook, so you have to press Command, then Shift, and the 5 key. Then you got this toolbar. You guys can see there is capture entire screen option and capture selected window and also capture selected portion. Also there is video recording options like record entire screen, record selected windows, and record selected portion. And also we got options here. We If you want to change the location that video is saving, you can change this to desktop, to documents, to mail, quick time player, other locations. Clicking like this, you can change your location that video is saving. So I'm click on the options also. So there are options also. Show floating thumbnail, remember last section. We can also plug the microphone in this build on uh, screen recording system. We can switch to the mics. There is two mics in here. And capture formats, we have SDR and SDR. Show mouse clicks. Yeah, there is another option too. Okay, that's how you record the screen. And let's try it out. I'm going to press the record button. Then you guys can see there is an icon to stop. When you stop it, there is your video now. I'm going to play it now. Then you guys can see there is an icon to stop button. Like that, you guys can record your video. After the record is ending, you can see there is the recording output here. So that's how you record your uh, MacBook in built-in software. Okay, without any software, you guys can record your screen only through the MacBook. I'm going to sign out now. Don't forget to subscribe to the SMG Labs. I will get so many tutorials like this, so don't forget to subscribe.